Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating a Fanbasis checkout page. Let's dive into what Fanbasis is all about. A well-designed checkout page is crucial for monetization. It affects conversion rates and user satisfaction. Let's start by accessing the checkout page settings in your Fanbasis dashboard. It's simple and user-friendly. Now, it's time to customize the look and feel of your checkout page to align with your brand. Next, you'll want to add your products and define your pricing options to ensure clarity for your customers. Setting up payment options is vital for your checkout. Let's choose secure transaction methods that you can integrate. Analytics tools help you track the performance of your checkout page. Keeping an eye on these metrics is crucial. Before launching, make sure to test the checkout process to ensure a seamless user experience. Once everything looks good, it's time to launch and promote your checkout page to your audience. Don't forget to continuously optimize the checkout experience over time for better results.